We praised OPPO for the many improvements they made to the F7. It has a great SoC in the Helio P60, improved rear camera performance, and the phone looked absolutely stunning. The trouble is, we're a pretty price-sensitive market, and some are unwilling to spend close to 18,000 pesos for a new smartphone. Enter the F7 Youth, the smallest member of the F7 family that packs the same punch and looks just as good. But some of its features have been toned down or removed altogether. Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox. Join us for this quick review of the OPPO F7 Youth. As mentioned earlier, the F7 Youth inherits the looks of its bigger siblings. You have the same glossy back that's made of coated acrylic, making the phone look like it's been sandwiched by glass panels. You're even getting two of the three color options available to the base model, which includes solar red and the faceted diamond black. Up front is a 6-inch Full HD Plus LTPS IPS LCD display at an aspect ratio of 18:9, giving it a pixel density of 402 pixels per inch and a screen-to-body ratio of 79%. If you're not a fan of the notch, well, you won't find one here. It's the same panel as the F7, which means you're getting pretty good image quality, generous viewing angles, and it's bright enough to be used outdoors. Above the display is the 8-megapixel front camera, which is a huge step down from the 25-megapixel shooter on the F7. The rear shooter takes less of a bump down from 16 to 13 megapixels on the Youth, with a slightly narrower aperture at f2.2 instead of f1.8. Another thing you might have noticed is the lack of a fingerprint scanner, which we really wish they had kept. You do have the facial unlock feature though, so we're guessing that'll have to do. The F7 Youth is sporting the same Helio P60 processor that's paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of expandable storage. While they did remove or tone down some of the features of this phone, we're glad they kept the same SoC. The performance of the P60 really impressed us, so we're expecting the same results on the Youth. The phone runs on Android Oreo 8.1 out of the box, with ColorOS 5.0 on top of it, and juicing up the phone is a 3410 mAh battery. The OPPO F7 Youth is priced at 13,990 pesos, making it a pretty solid option if you don't want to shell out the money for its bigger siblings. Pre-orders for the device start on May 28 and will last until June 1. And that's pretty much it for this quick review of the OPPO F7 Youth. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below and we'll try to get to them as soon as we can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and Instagram. This is Jamie, and I'll see you next time.